Do you want to make money online in 2026 without showing your face or investing a ton of money upfront? Today, I'll show you how to create and publish your very own planner that can earn you passive income all year long, step by step. Stick around, because this method works even if you've never published anything online before. Why planners are perfect for passive income. Planners sell year-round, not just during holidays. People love digital planners, PDFs, and print planners, Amazon KDP. Once it's uploaded, you can earn money while you sleep, literally passive income. Example: one digital planner on Etsy selling $10 to $15 can make $300 to $500 per month if marketed correctly. The key here is to pick the right niche and make it visually appealing. And I'll show you exactly how. Step 1. Pick your niche. Brainstorm ideas that people actually search for. Productivity planners, fitness or workout planners, student planners, mom planners, family organization, budget or finance planners. Check Amazon bestsellers, Etsy search, Pinterest, or even TikTok for trending planner topics. Make a list of 3 to 5 profitable niches. You can start with one and expand later. Niche selection is critical. It will determine how fast your planner can sell. Step 2. Design your planner. Use free or cheap tools like Canva, Figma, or Adobe Express. Design tips include monthly and weekly calendars, habit trackers, goal pages, or to-do lists. Clean, modern layouts and colors. So you need to make it interactive for apps like GoodNotes or Notability. Even if you're not a designer, Canva has pre-made templates. You just tweak colors, fonts, and layout. Step 3. Prepare for publishing. Export your planner as PDF for digital products. Export KDP-ready PDFs for print planners. Create a cover design. This is the first thing people see. Make it visually appealing and niche-specific. Include keywords in your file name and description for search optimization. Remember, a professional-looking cover and good keywords can make the difference between a product that sells and one that doesn't. Step 4. Upload and publish. For example, Amazon KDP, best for print planners, free to publish, handles printing and shipping. Etsy, best for digital downloads, instant delivery, easy setup. Gumroad, alternative for digital products, handles payments, easy links for social media. One thing: always check sizing and formatting before publishing. A small mistake can hurt sales. Once it's uploaded, your planner is officially live and ready to start making money. Step 5. Marketing your planner. TikTok, Instagram Reels, Shorts. Show your planner pages, highlight value. Use trending sounds and hashtags like #PlannerAddict. #DigitalPlanner2026. Pinterest. Pin planner previews. Pinterest drives long-term traffic. Etsy SEO. Use keywords like 2026 Fitness Planner PDF. Marketing is the engine that turns your planner into real income. Even $5 to $10 per day in traffic can lead to hundreds in monthly passive income. Step 6. Scale and automate. Create multiple planners for different niches. Update annually, from 2026 to 2027 planners. Consider bundling planners, weekly, monthly, or goal tracker, to increase average order value. With just a few planners, you can create a steady stream of income every month. And that's it. You now know how to create, publish, and market your very own planner that can earn passive income all year long. If you start today, you could already have your first planner selling in just a few days. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more ways to make money online in 2026. Drop a comment and tell me which niche you're going to start with.